What's going on, gang? Brett Patrick here, Gutter Cleaner U. Out here on this Memorial Day Sunday, burning some leaves. I did a bunch of trimming some bushes up around the property, and I'm always listening to podcasts, like you guys know. And I wanted to come to you with I don't know, a lesson, something I learned recently that I think could be very beneficial inside of your business, and I think it's going to be extremely insightful inside of mine. Um, Something that I hear a lot on the YouTube comments, people in the Telegram group. I know some of you guys have like gone to my business page and like comment through there as well. And the thing I often hear the most is marketing. Like, how are you getting leads? How are you getting leads? What's the best way? How do you go about doing it? And I've always just kind of given my 2 cents, which is I started knocking doors. That's how I got business. I'd see gutters that were dirty. I'd knock on the house and tell them, I see your gutters are dirty. I clean gutters for a living. I can do it for this price. How's next week sound? Right. And that's just kind of how I started my business. And now that I've been in it for a little bit longer, I'm getting some of that organic growth. So people are just coming off the website, calling my phone, repeat customers, referrals. I have over 50 some odd 5-star reviews. So people hit me up different ways. But the point I'm trying to get to is, the best marketing channel is the one that you make work, right? It's the one that you make it work. Is door-to-door sales a proven commodity? Is it a proven thing? Yes. Is Facebook ads a proven thing? Yes. Is direct mail marketing a proven thing? Yes. Is website SEO a proven thing? Yes. And the list goes on forever, right? But everybody has their one that they've done or they had the most success with, and that comes down to the one that they believe in and they make work. Alex Hormozy said this thing. He said, "It's not if it'll work. It's if you will make it work, because you are the one that will make it work. If you're not having success knocking doors, you're not doing door-to-door sales right. If you're not having success on Facebook ads, you're not doing Facebook ads right. You have to learn how to make it work. And a lot of times, the reason for that is you're not doing enough of it. You guys will tell me, "Oh man, I went out and knocked 50 doors this week. I didn't get anything." That's 50 doors. You should be doing 50 doors a day. If you do 50 doors a day, every day for a month, I promise you, you get better at it and you'll start pulling leads on a more regular basis. I've been knocking doors for 6 or 7 years prior to starting this. So I already come in at a certain level of experience, but it took a lot of it. I wasn't good at first. Same thing with Facebook ads. I know a lot of you guys might follow that Spencer guy on YouTube. He's got a much bigger following than me, but he's really big on Facebook ads. He's better at it than I am. He does it way more. I don't really do Facebook ads like that. He makes it work. I don't. It's not my channel, right? So, um, the point is this: it will work when you make it work. You have to make a dedicated decision that I'm going to put some effort and focus on this and put in more work than is required to make sure that it is successful. When I first started Good Boy, I left the roofing business and I got screwed over. When I left, the owner decided not to pay me my last week of salary or my commissions that I had made, because you work a whole month or whatever sales you make, and you get one lump check the following month. So he decided not to pay me over 10 grand, and I was expecting that money to start my business, kind of like be a first month to just kind of get the things rolling. So when I didn't get that, I had no choice but to make it happen and make it happen immediately. So what did I do? I went out and started knocking doors. The very next day for Good Boy, all I had was a hat. I just had the hat. I mean, hell, that's the only thing I really have still. It's just a hat. And I went out and knocked doors, and in that first week, I sold $1,500 in jobs, and that kick started my business. I had no other choice. I had to make it work. I couldn't go, damn, I knocked 25 on, got one yet. This doesn't work. Let me try something else. You decide you want Facebook ads to work. You decide you want direct mail marketing to work, or whatever it is. Do what's necessary to make it work. You make it work. It's not that that thing doesn't work. There's a reason why, like, we all have the same amount of time in a day, but some of us have more than others. It's because the certain people put more effort into that one particular thing than you do, right? I don't have a six pack because I don't put in the damn work that The Rock does, but I can. He makes it work, right? So I hope that makes sense. Just out here on a Sunday, a little bit hot, burning some leaves. Figure I'll talk to you guys. Um, You know the deal, man. Comment, like, subscribe. Check out Gutter Cleaning You. You guys let me know, man. I might think about opening up some one-time coaching calls again. Just let me know. But anyways, man, I appreciate you guys as always. Keep them clean.